Welcome to my channel. My name is Silenthia, and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with Cassie J Budgets and Blogs, which I will link down below. Happy Freebie Friday. We are back at it. So let's jump in. We have a little bit more money than I'm typically used to having, and I am very excited about it. Doesn't always work out this way, but since it did today, we're stuffing 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. I have 60 doll hairs I'm working with today. Way to start off my first video in May. Thank you. So, should I get some change? I think I want to leave some fives, but I kind of feel like it might be a good idea to break those tens down. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And let's see here. Not enough there. Not enough there. And not enough there. Okay, so what we'll do is we will hang on to this $10 because I really would like for it to be broken down smaller than that, so we'll work on it. All right, so my first savings challenge, we will go ahead and roll a dice to see how much money it is getting today. Or you know what, should we do, no, let's just do it how I just said. $4, 2, 4. All right, next one, 2. We don't have any more $2 bills. Next up, 5. Oh, my scratch and save. Okay, so this one we don't roll the dice. We scratch and then we save. Let's see. 7. Okay, so that's great. And it looks like we're going to be able to do another round here. 5, 6, 7. And once we go through another round, this one will be finally completed. Took me a while. All right, next, let's see here. We're going to roll the dice. 4. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this one just needs 2 more bucks, and it's completed, so we will not come back to that one. $3. 1, 2, 3. All right, so next, roll and save. $2. 1, 2. Okay, here we go. Oh, so nerve-wracking. Let's see. 2. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's really good. I like it when that happens. Not too crazy, but it's completed, so that's awesome sauce. All right, so let's go back to see what we may complete all of. No, I was just we might. Let's see. 2, 4, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one just needs 2 more dollars. We're gonna roll and see. Okay, needs another $1. And this one's completed. I think we only needed 3 roll and saves. Okay, here we go. Make it a good one. 1. Oh, should I roll that again? That's okay. All right, we're gonna mark these. We rolled 5. Uh-oh. Okay, let's try. We rolled 5, 2, and 1. And let's put that one back there. All right. And this one is completed as well. This one is completed. I don't know if that's dry. Yeah, I'm going to set it this way because I don't know if those numbers are dry. I'm sorry, move my calendar. I like my calendar, so I know where my position is. And this one just needed 1 more $1. I think we're just going to add the $1. Let's do this. We're going to add the $1. Okay, so we still have cash, which means we will be working on pulling out some more savings challenges. So let's try to get through this quickly. The first one, we're adding 2, 4, 5, 6. So we have a total of $16. This savings challenge is from Batty Bankroll. So I tried to get through this Easter one before Easter was, you know, before the month of April was over, but it didn't work out, and that's okay, because we're still winners. That one is complete. All right, and so the next savings challenge, we're adding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This savings challenge is from Books and Finances. It was a collaboration with Budget with PJ. So completed that one. That one wasn't necessarily Easter, but kind of spring kind of vibe. So I'm glad that that one got completed. Oh, you know what? I added $7, but I didn't tell you how much the total was. So let's go back here. 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. $24 hairs. Okay. All right. And this beauty came from Budget for Success. And Onyx sent this to me a while ago, so I'm so glad to finally be using it. My budget wasn't allowing me to be great and use this savings challenge, so finally we were able to pull it out, and I used it as a roll and save. There are instructions if you'd like to follow and roll the dice. If you roll an even number, multiply it by 2. If you roll an odd number, add $2. I didn't play it that way. I just did a basic roll and save, but I love the ladybugs, so that's why I was so determined to use it. 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. $29 is what I saved with that savings challenge. Okay, calm down. We're adding $5, $6, $7, $8, $9 here. This savings challenge was from Ellie on Earth, and she sent this to me via mail. She does have a mailing list for those of you who are interested in receiving Happy Mail. It's such a cute scratch off. I have another one that I'm going to be using at a later date, but yeah, so cute, right? I try to shy away from the scratch offs because they are so intense and you just don't know what's underneath there. So we have 20, 25, 30, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. I have $36 here, and that completes that savings challenge. I'm going to organize this money really quickly, and then we will pull out our other savings challenges that we're working on. Sorry if it's out of frame. Man, that's a lot of cash. So those of you who don't know, Wednesday I did my sinking funds cash stuffing. And I even played to try to get some more money into my sinking funds, which it did work out. Not this well, where this much was saved, but next week hopefully we'll be able to do a sinking funds cash stuffing because this is quite a bit of cash. All right, let's move forward. This is the savings challenge that I was using as a catch-all, and this savings challenge is from the Carter Blues, and Wandalee sent this to me as a freebie in the mail, and I'm not certain what she has going on in terms of what she has for freebies, but she sent this one to me, so I think we will continue using that one. Oh man, my envelopes are so marked up. Let's see, let me make sure I have 6 envelopes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. They're so marked up. It doesn't matter though, because as long as we're saving, it's okay. If they get a little bit dirty, saving is a dirty job. All right, so I chose some savings challenges that I wanted to work on, and let's see here. These are coffee. Oh, okay. Here's the ones I wanted. I have a couple others back there. So first off, let's go ahead and throw this beauty in here. This is from Miss Frugal, and I will link her shop down below. Oh, I love it. I think I'm going to do this one as a roll and save. I was going to do it as one, but I'm going to do it as a roll and save. This savings challenge is from Simply Tea. And yes, such a cute little, does anybody know Penny Proud? Such a cute savings challenge. So we're going to pull that one as well. And then this one's from Dreamy Budgets. We're going to go ahead and add that one. Like I said, I will try to remember to link everybody down below as well. This savings challenge is from Means Budgets. Perfect. And then we have our the Carter Then we have the carded blues. And then lastly, we'll go ahead and add Batty Bankroll to the bunch. I have a lot of her savings challenges. I actually have a binder set up of just her freebies. I just need to go ahead and do them because I keep printing all the new ones that she's making. These were my coffee themed that I want to add at some point, but let's go ahead and put them here. Are any of you guys out here searching for savings challenges or have an idea for savings challenges, and then you're like, man, I already have so many savings challenges? That's me. I already have so many. I need to stop printing more and more savings challenges until I complete the ones I already have, because I get so excited about the new savings challenges. All right, we still have cash. Let's put this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Put this 10 here. All right, so what we did on the previous set was a roll and save. What we're going to do for this one is we're going to mix this up a little bit, and we are going to give each savings challenge 2 bills. So let's jump right in. Number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 5. Perfect. Number 6. 1, 2. Number 4. 5. It was okay. I'm mixing myself up here. That's number 6. That's number 5. This is I don't have them labeled. Number 1. All right. Number 5. Number 3. 4. 1, 2, 3. Number 5. 4, 5. Number 6. Number 2. Oh, that's everything. Okay, now that we've completed that task, let's go ahead and see how much each saving challenge is getting. I did decide this would be a roll and save, so we're adding $2 here. For those of you who don't follow her or don't know, she is a Beyonce fan, and she is concert ready. She's on it. So she made a special savings challenges for that are just all Beyonce themed. All right, so we got $2 going into Penny, and I think each of these I'm going to do $1 since we're doing this one a roll and save. All right, 1, 2. All right, we've got $2 going into our next savings challenge, and I think we'll just do these $2 each, right? That should be easy. Let me not say it should be easy. That should be good. That should be good. All right, and so we have $6 going into this savings challenge. 2, 4, 6. She looks so smart, doesn't she? Oh, yes, I love these. And she has quite a bit too. Oh, that's another one that I printed a ton. So many of her freebies. Yeah. Maybe that's what I need to do. Set up binders for all the ones that I have a ton of freebies for, and take care of those before I go fishing around looking for more. All right, so we're adding 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So in total we have $5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, $12. Trying to make sure this is dry. So I'm going to let that sit there for a second. And we'll come back. So we have $5, $6, $7, $8 here. All right, and do I want to do these? I think I'm gonna do them $2 each. 2, 4, 6, 8. Yes. So that way I can work on it. I'm getting ink all over me. I think I did. I grabbed a wet erase marker instead of a permanent marker, so that's why it's taking so long to dry. Okay, we are gonna move forward, and that's something I'll have to deal with. All right, that works amazing for me. We did complete a couple of savings challenges for In Fact. I love to see this. I'm so very happy. I'm very pleased, especially with the bigger numbers, getting those completed. I did want to try to finish them in April, but hey, so close. And this is all the cash we saved from our mini savings challenges. Not saving hundreds and hundreds of dollars at once, because that's not the way my budget is set up. But I'm so grateful for whoever thought of saving a little bit at a time and coloring and scratching and adding and rolling dice. And I hope the temperature of your pillow is always perfect, because this has greatly changed the way that I think about saving and how I'm saving. And I know a lot of us are on this savings train, saving a little bit at a time, because it makes a huge difference in our lives. So anyway, I'm so grateful for all of you coming back as well, and spending some time with me and putting up with my crazy. I'm grateful. So grateful for you. But that's it for now, guys. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.